Hey, high school credit. I am recording from my office at home and I have no makeup on and I look like duty. I'm sorry. Um, if you're in class, you're getting this spiel from me in person. If you're one of my virtual people, then you're going to have to watch this video and find out the bad news. So, here we go. Um, the play that I picked for us to do for UIL, Our Town, which we've been studying now for weeks, we can no longer do for UIL. And this is entirely 100% my fault. Um, I could have sworn that when I first started teaching, I saw Our Town Act 3 on the list of plays that had been performed in the past. And I still kind of stand by the fact that that was on there and that it had placed. But at some point along the way, a rule was made that Thornton Wilder plays could not be chopped up. So if you're going to perform one, you have to perform all three acts. You can't just do one. And obviously, with the UIL time, you can't do an entire 2 hour play in 40 minutes. So I'm absolutely heartbroken to say that we will not be able to perform Our Town, even though we've been spending all this time on it. But what I am going to do is do it in the spring. So we will do it in the spring, and we'll figure out a way to make it work and to either do like a virtual performance or a limited performance, or maybe we could even do something outside. Um, I don't know. I have to talk to Miss Bell about everything. So if you're one of my distance learners and you have the script already in hand, please just hang on to it. Unless you don't think you can be responsible and keep track of it until the spring, then maybe bring it back to me and I can hold on to it for you or something. Um, Otherwise, yeah, we'll revisit Our Town in the spring. So I don't want you to feel like everything we've done has been a waste. I mean, it kind of has been, but we're still going to come back to it. And I felt completely defeated ever since I found out about it. So I'm really bummed. So in the meantime, we're going to go back to doing what I was originally going to do this year, which was to do Shakespeare. It's the easiest option at this point in the rat race because it's public domain, so I don't need publisher approval for any cuts I make. I don't have to buy the rights to it. It's just available. So that being said, I was originally thinking Romeo and Juliet for this year. I might change my mind. So my hope is that by the end of this school week, I'll have figured out what we're going to do. So for the rest of this week, guys, if you are in the high school credit class, I want you to use our scheduled class time to just focus on your grades and your schoolwork for your other classes. Those kids that come to school with me, you guys, if you are watching this, we're probably just going to watch a Broadway show or something this week, or you guys can help me read scripts and figure out what we're going to do. But basically, it's a week to kind of gather our brains and just, I don't know, figure out what we're going to do. Again, I was going to do Romeo and Juliet, but I think a comedy might be fun. I think Shakespeare comedies are way more fun and relatable to the middle school age group. But I don't know. I also have to consider who we have that can play certain roles and all of that. So, yeah, this is getting long. I just want you guys to be ready for the fact that things are going to be changing up a little bit, and I'm really, really sorry. And I will see you all again soon.